I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a 3D version of yourself using AI. And with this key you're going to be learning in today's video, you can actually use it for your personal purposes or even for content creation. And if you're actually good in it, you can start using it to make money online. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go to the site styler.ai. So this is the site we're going to be using for the 3D animation. And now all you want to do is to click on sign up over here, and then to make things faster, you can just continue with your Google account. Okay, so you can click on continue with Google and then just select your account to make things faster. And once you're done with that, it's going to be very easy for you to log in into the Styler AI homepage. Okay, so as you guys can see now, all you want to do is to click on new project over here. And once you click on new project, so the main idea is to create a 3D version of yourself. So you just want to select an image that you'd like to use for the project. And then in case you want to be using this method to make money online, you just want to grab your audience or your client's pictures, and then you want to do the same thing. So you want to select import image over here, okay, and then you want to click on the particular image you're going to be using. So I'm going to be using this particular picture of me, okay, for today's video. So now once you've actually done that, all you want to do is to select image to image over here. Okay, so the main idea is to convert the picture to 3D design. Now after you've selected that, you want to click on the style over here and go to innocent QT. Okay, we're talking about 3D in today's video. So you want to select this, and then the next thing is the prompt area. Now for this prompt area, to make things better, all you want to do is to click on auto prompt. Okay, so the main idea, like I said, is to convert this picture into a 3D design, okay, a 3D character. So you want to click on auto prompt, and then it's going to analyze the picture and create a prompt for the picture. Okay, so you just want to wait a bit. So as you guys can see, a young man wearing a white shirt and a black sunglasses is posing for a photo. He has a beard and mustache, giving him a stylish appearance. Okay, so as you guys can see, it already generated a very good description for the image. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to just increase this intensity. Okay, increase it to the maximum, as well as the structure match, we can increase it to the maximum, and then you want to click on stellarize. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's going to load and then generate several options for us to select from. So as you guys can see, it generated an image that looks like a white person. So all you guys want to do next is to just make some adjustments in the prompt. Okay, so we're going to add a black or dark person. Okay, so young man, let's say a young dark man. Okay, a young dark or African man. Okay, but let's leave it at dark. Okay, and then all you want to do is to select stellarize again. So as you guys can see, it generated some other ones for us, and this time like a dark person. Okay, so let's just go with one of them. Let's go for this particular one. Okay, let's just go for this one. Okay, so all you want to do once you've seen the one you're okay with is to select it, and then you want to click on place on Canva. Okay, now please note you can as well do these on your mobile device. Okay, just go to the site styler.ai. Now once you've done that, as you guys can see, we've generated the 3D already for ourselves. And in case you're not okay with what it generates, you can as well keep playing with the prompt to generate the exact thing you're okay with. Now all we need to do now is to just make some other adjustment, probably like the removal of the background. Probably you have a better background you like to add, so all you want to do is to click on remove background over here, and then as you guys can see, it's going to generate the removal for us. And after you've generated the removal of the background, you can as well add any background you like to incorporate in the picture. So as you guys can see, now once we're done with that, and once you're done with the character, you're okay with the character, all you want to do is to come here to export. You want to select export, and then you want to export as PNG. Okay, and then you can see watermark over here. In case you don't want watermark, all you want to do is to select upgrade and then make the payment. Okay, and then you can as well just export all layers and then click on export over here. Okay, so it's gonna export, and then we have our file. So let's select it and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is layer 1 for you guys to see. You guys can see this is the exact image we used, and then let's look at the second one we actually generated. So this is the second one we generated. Yeah, like I said, in case you're not okay with it, you can as well play out with the prompt. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's basically how to convert your pictures into a 3D animation character. Now, I believe we all know how to create a 3D version of ourselves, but just to make things further, all you want to do in case you want to create a 3D animation of that particular 3D image you created is to go to the site d-id. And once you go to this site, you basically just want to register and sign up and then answer some few questions. Now, once you're done answering the questions, this is how the page is going to look like. So all you want to do after that is to click on create video at the top right over here. And now once you've done that, you want to come down here to where you have add, you want to select add, and then you want to select that particular 3D version you created. So I'm going to select this one. And now once you're done selecting, it's just going to load out and just to show the image. Okay, so once it's done with that, all you want to do next is to add the script of the particular video you want. Okay, so let's just say I'm going to say hi, I am Kid Cass. Alright, so now this is gonna be the script. So the next thing you all want to do is to just come over here to where you have generate a video. But then in case you like to change the voice to a masculine voice or a different nationality voice, is to just come here over here to where you have language. You can select various languages, but I'm gonna leave it as the United States English. And then for voices, you can as well come here, okay? And now you want to select whatever voice you're okay with. You can just listen to them randomly in case you just want to hear a bit of the voice. But then I'm going to go for Andrew. And then once you're done with all that, all you want to do is to come over here to generate video. Okay, so I'm going to click on generate video, and then you're just going to wait for some minutes. So as you guys can see, once you click on generate, it's going to generate the video for us. So let's see how the video is going to come out. So we've successfully generated your video. So all you want to do, guys, is to click on the video over here.
Kicks.
But basically that's the main idea. Okay, so that's the main idea, and as you guys can see, we have watermarks over here. But then in case you don't want the watermark to show on your video, you basically want to upgrade. Okay, you want to go for pricing, and then you want to make the payment. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's in case you want to learn how to further the 3D animation itself by making it more realistic. So I believe you all learned a lot from today's video. If you surely have questions, make sure to drop them down in the comment section. I would make sure I answer whatever question you have to ask. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're totally new and you haven't still subscribed. Thanks for subscribing because I believe you just subscribed. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next highly informative video.